Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you with me today. Our focus for this episode is something really special, herbal infusions and skincare. Herbal infusions have been cherished for centuries for their ability to harness the natural power of plants to nourish and rejuvenate our skin. Today, we'll be exploring what herbal infusions are, the benefits they bring to our skincare routines, popular herbs you might want to try, and even how to make your own herbal infusions at home. So whether you're a seasoned DIY skincare enthusiast or just starting your journey, this episode is packed with tips and insights that can transform your self-care routine. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of herbal infusions together. To kick things off, let's talk about what herbal infusions are. Simply put, an herbal infusion is the process of steeping herbs in a carrier medium like oil, water, or alcohol to extract their beneficial properties. It's a way of capturing the essence of the plant and harnessing its natural power to support our skin. First up, we have oil infusions. These are perfect if you're looking for rich moisturizing benefits. A good example would be infusing calendula and jojoba oil to create a nourishing and soothing blend. This type of infusion is excellent for those with dry or sensitive skin. Next, we have water infusions, which are lighter and great for hydration and toning. Think of a refreshing tea made from chamomile. That's essentially a water infusion. These are easy to make and ideal for a quick skin pick-me-up. Then there are alcohol infusions, often used to create tinctures. These help in preserving the active compounds of herbs, making them a powerful addition to any skincare regimen. For instance, a tincture made from green tea can provide a potent antioxidant boost. No matter which type you choose, the key is to match the right herbs with the right medium, based on your skincare needs. Up next, we'll discuss the many benefits that herbal infusions bring to our skin. Stay tuned. Now, let's dive into the incredible benefits that herbal infusions can bring to your skincare routine. One of the most alluring aspects of these natural concoctions is their ability to nourish the skin deeply. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, they provide the essential nutrients our skin craves. By feeding your skin these nutrient-rich infusions, you can achieve a healthy, radiant glow that's difficult to match with conventional products. But that's not all. Herbal infusions also have remarkable soothing properties. If you struggle with sensitive or irritated skin, herbs like chamomile, calendula, and lavender are your best friends. These plants have been celebrated for their calming effects, helping to reduce redness and discomfort. Imagine ending your day with a gentle chamomile-infused mist. Heavenly, right? We also can't forget the anti-aging benefits. Infusions made with herbs such as rose and green tea can be powerful allies in the fight against fine lines and wrinkles. Their antioxidant properties help to neutralize free radicals, which can age the skin prematurely. Including these herbs in your routine might just be the secret to maintaining youthful, vibrant skin. Finally, herbal infusions offer targeted solutions tailored to specific skin concerns. Whether you're battling acne, dryness, or dullness, there's an herb to address each issue. Calendula for healing, green tea for inflammation, rose for hydration, the list goes on. With the right combination, you can create a bespoke skincare solution that's uniquely yours. So, whether you're looking to nourish, soothe, combat aging, or address specific skin concerns, herbal infusions can play a transformative role in your skincare regimen. Up next, we'll explore some of the most popular herbs used in skincare infusions and their unique benefits. Stay tuned, there's a lot more to uncover. Now that we've covered what herbal infusions are, and their wonderful benefits for the skin, it's time to dive into some of the most popular herbs you can use for your skincare infusions. These herbs have been celebrated for their unique properties and can elevate your skincare routine to new heights. First on the list is calendula. Known for its soothing and healing properties, calendula is a standout choice for anyone with sensitive or dry skin. It's fantastic for reducing redness and promoting a smooth, even complexion. Next up is chamomile. You might recognize this herb as a key ingredient in calming teas, but it's equally effective in skincare. Chamomile is excellent at calming redness and irritation, making it a must-have for those dealing with sensitive skin or inflammatory conditions. Then we have lavender. Renowned for its balancing effects and delightful aroma, lavender can help bring harmony to your skin. It's especially beneficial for combination skin types where balancing oil production is key. Plus, who doesn't love the relaxing scent of lavender? Rose is another superstar herb. This luxurious plant hydrates and revitalizes mature or dry skin, giving it a fresh and youthful appearance. Roses aren't just beautiful, they're also packed with skin-loving benefits. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea is a powerful herb for combating free radicals and reducing inflammation. It's an excellent choice for those looking to fight signs of aging and maintain a youthful glow. These herbs are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of herbal infusions. Each brings something unique to the table, and experimenting with them can be a fun and rewarding experience. Up next, I'll guide you through the process of making your own oil herbal infusion at home. Stay tuned for some simple and practical steps to get started. Creating your own oil herbal infusion at home is simpler than you might think and incredibly rewarding. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you need to choose your ingredients. Start with dried herbs. Fresh herbs contain moisture, which can cause your oil to spoil quickly. Some great options include calendula for its soothing properties, chamomile for calming redness, or lavender for its balancing effects. Then select a carrier oil. Jojoba, almond, and olive oil are all excellent choices because they are versatile and nourishing for various skin types. Once you've got your ingredients, it's time to combine them. Place the dried herbs in a clean, dry jar. Ensure the jar is completely free of any moisture to prevent mold growth. Next, pour your chosen carrier oil over the herbs until they are fully submerged. Give the mixture a gentle stir to release any trapped air bubbles and make sure all the herbs are coated in oil. Now comes the infusing process. Seal your jar tightly with a lid and place it in a sunny spot like a windowsill. The warmth from the sun will gently heat the oil and help extract the herb's beneficial properties. Let the mixture sit for about 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, give the jar a gentle shake every few days to help the infusion process along. Finally, once your infusion has had enough time to steep, it's time to strain and store it. Using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, carefully separate the oil from the herbs, catching the oil in a clean bowl. Make sure to squeeze any excess oil from the herbs to get every drop of goodness. Transfer your infused oil to a dark glass bottle to protect it from light and extend its shelf life. Store it in a cool, dry place, and it should keep for about a year. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created your very own herbal oil infusion. Up next, we'll explore the many ways you can incorporate this infusion into your daily skincare routine. Stay tuned! Once you've crafted your own herbal infusion, the fun really begins. There are countless ways to incorporate these nourishing oils into your skincare routine. Let's explore a few options together. First up, consider using your infused oil as a facial serum. Simply apply a few drops to clean, damp skin and gently massage it in. The rich, moisturizing properties of the oil will penetrate deeply, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's a simple yet effective way to give your skin a nourishing boost. Another fantastic use for your infused oil is blending it into body butters. Whipped body butters are a treat for your skin, especially during the colder months when extra moisture is needed. Combine your infused oil with shea butter and a few other ingredients to create a luxurious, creamy body butter that will keep your skin hydrated and glowing. But let's not stop there. Adding a few drops of your herbal infusion to a warm bath can create a spa-like experience right at home. The warm water will help to release the fragrant aroma of the herbs, providing both relaxation and skin benefits. It's a wonderful way to unwind after a long day while pampering your skin. Lastly, if you've made a water-based infusion, you can use it as a refreshing facial mist or toner. Simply transfer the infusion into a spray bottle and spritz it onto your face after cleansing. It's perfect for a quick hydration boost and can help to soothe and tone your skin. You can also use it throughout the day whenever your skin needs a little pick-me-up. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The beauty of herbal infusions lies in their versatility, allowing you to tailor them to your specific skincare needs and preferences. Experiment, have fun, and let your creativity shine. Why choose herbal infusions for your skincare routine? Well, there are several compelling reasons that make them a fantastic choice. Let's talk about 3 key benefits: sustainability and personalization, controlling ingredient quality, and connecting with nature while infusing intention into skincare. Firstly, herbal infusions offer a sustainable and personalized approach to skincare. When you create your own infusions, you're reducing waste by reusing containers and repurposing herbs. More importantly, you can tailor every aspect of the infusion to meet your unique skin needs. This level of customization means your skincare products are designed specifically for you. Not only will your skin thank you, but the planet will too. Next, let's discuss ingredient quality. By making your own herbal infusions, you control exactly what goes into your skincare products. You can choose high-quality organic herbs and carrier oils, ensuring that no unwanted chemicals or preservatives are involved. This transparency gives you peace of mind, knowing that every ingredient is beneficial to your skin. Plus, you can experiment with different combinations to discover what works best for you. Lastly, there's a deeper, more soulful benefit: connecting with nature. Making herbal infusions is a process that brings you closer to the natural world. It's a mindful practice that encourages you to slow down and appreciate the simple, yet profound, offerings of plants. Each time you use your infusion, you're reminded of the time and care that went into creating it. This connection infuses your skincare routine with intention and mindfulness, turning it into a self-care ritual rather than just another step in your day. In essence, choosing herbal infusions is about more than just skincare. It's about taking a sustainable, personalized approach, ensuring ingredient quality, and fostering a nurturing connection with nature. Up next, we'll wrap things up with some final thoughts and a few parting words. Stay tuned. As we come to the end of today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect on the effectiveness and simplicity of herbal infusions. These natural wonders are not only effective in nourishing, soothing, anti-aging, and targeting specific skin concerns, but are also incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The journey of creating and using herbal infusions is both rewarding and empowering. I encourage you to experiment with different herbs and find the combinations that work best for your skin. Every individual's skin is unique, so don't hesitate to try various blends and see what makes your skin glow. I'd love to hear from you all. Have you tried herbal infusions in your skincare? What are your favorite herbs and recipes? Share your experiences and tips by sending me a message or leaving a comment below. Your insights could inspire and help others in our community. Also, if you're looking to dive deeper into natural skincare, check out my course, Renew and Replenish, using essential oils for mature skin, or explore one of my membership options. You'll find more detailed information and links in the show notes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this episode helpful and inspiring. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. This is Carrie Scharf, signing off from Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Stay tuned for more episodes filled with natural skincare wisdom and fun DIY projects.